Did you know aloe vera has been called the plant of immortality since ancient Egypt? For centuries, it's been a secret weapon for glowing skin and healthy hair, and today, we're revealing why. Welcome back to Improved Duck. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 benefits of aloe vera for your hair and skin, and show you how to use it safely to unlock its full potential. Dry, flaky skin, irritated scalp, dull, lifeless hair. These are common struggles many of us face, often caused by harsh products, pollution, or lack of proper hydration. But instead of reaching for chemical-laden solutions, what if nature had the answer? Aloe vera's soothing, hydrating, and healing properties make it a natural remedy for many of these issues. For skin, calms irritation and redness, especially after sun exposure. Acts as a natural moisturizer without clogging pores. Helps fade acne scars and improve texture for hair. Nourishes the scalp, reducing dandruff and itchiness. Strengthens strands and adds shine. Can be used as a leave-in treatment or mask. You can use aloe vera directly from the plant or as part of, for example, mix aloe vera gel with coconut oil for a hydrating hair mask, or combine with honey for a soothing face treatment. Meet Sarah. After just 4 weeks of using aloe vera on her hair twice a week, she noticed reduced breakage and incredible shine. Her skin, softer and clearer than ever. Real results from a simple natural ingredient. Aloe vera hydrates, soothes, heals, strengthens, and brightens. It's a simple, affordable way to level up your hair and skincare routine naturally. Have you tried aloe vera in your beauty routine? Share your experience in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more natural beauty tips and easy DIY recipes.